Oh, I'm desperate. I can't get these students to grow. How do I spark curiosity? Are you kidding me? I need to do something different. Give me a sign. Oh. That's it. Computer science. That's gonna make my students bloom.
K-12 California educators attend seasons of CS, professional development, and learn computer science curriculum that you can bring back to your students.
Man, I'm feeling different. Let's do this. Let's go.
Transform yourself as an educator into a computer science teacher throughout the seasons of CS all year long. Bring these powerful learning experiences back and watch the super bloom happen in your classroom. Join the Computer Science Super Bloom in California.
I did it, and so can you.
All students should learn CS. All educators can teach CS.